Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth product insights. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Greenies treat for cats, the Greenies Feline Smartbites skin and fur crunchy and soft natural cat treats in the delicious salmon flavor. If you're a cat parent who wants to support your furry friend's skin health and maintain a luscious coat, then this is a product you'll definitely want to stick around for. The Greenies Feline Smartbites skin and fur treats are designed specifically with adult cats in mind. Each bite is a unique dual texture blend, crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, which cats absolutely love. But this isn't just about taste. What makes these treats stand out is their natural formulation. They're packed with nutrients that support healthy skin and fur, and they're made with salmon, which is not only a favorite flavor for most cats but also a rich source of omega fatty acids. Now let's talk packaging. This product comes in a convenient 4.6-ounce pack, and you get 2 of them, so you're stocked up for a while. This makes it perfect for multi-cat households or simply keeping your single feline happy without frequent reorders. The treats are also available in other pack sizes, but the 4.6-ounce twin pack offers a great balance of value and quantity. Formulated with all-natural ingredients, these treats avoid artificial additives and fillers that can upset sensitive feline stomachs. The inclusion of essential nutrients like biotin and omega-3 fatty acids helps reduce dryness and dandruff, keeping your cat's coat soft, shiny, and healthy. And unlike many cat treats that are just empty calories, Greenies Smartbites contribute to your cat's overall well-being. The form of the treat is granular, which makes it easy for cats to chew and digest. Even picky eaters often respond well to the irresistible salmon flavor. And being Amazon's choice in its category speaks volumes about its consistent quality and reliability. Another practical benefit: these treats are easy to use as a reward or just a daily supplement. Whether you're clicker training your cat, rewarding them after grooming, or simply indulging them during cuddle time, these Smartbites are a functional, tasty option. Though this specific pack is currently marked as unavailable on Amazon, it's a popular product, and it's often restocked. So if it's not available right now, it's worth keeping an eye out or adding it to your wish list. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a balanced, nutritious, and enjoyable treat that genuinely contributes to your cat's health, the Greenies Feline Smartbites skin and fur treats in salmon flavor are a standout. Natural, flavorful, and designed with your cat's well-being in mind, it's no wonder this is our top choice from the Greenies lineup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more trusted product breakdowns. See you in the next one.